Welcome to Aquatopia, the beautiful underwater city.
I'm Marina. I have an important meeting at the Coral Castle today. Oh no, look at the time. I'll be late if I don't hurry.
Marina, what's wrong? You look like you're in a rush.
Coral, I can't seem to find a taxi.
The currents are pretty busy at this hour. Oh, look, an empty turtle taxi is coming right now.
You're right. I need to hail it.
Excuse me, taxi.
Oh, looks like a customer.
Hello there, miss. Where are you headed?
Hi, could you take me to the Coral Castle, please?
The Coral Castle? Sure thing. I can take you there.
Thank you. I'm in a bit of a rush.
Understood. Well then, hop on my shell.
Here we go. What a comfortable seat.
Have a safe trip, Marina. Good luck.
Thanks, Coral. See you later.
I'm starting the meter.
How long will it take to get there?
With the current flow, about 15 minutes.
15 minutes sounds good. I should make it.
Wait a moment. Can I share the ride?
Oh, if it isn't Mr. Barnaby.
I'm in a hurry, but if it's the same direction, that's fine.
I appreciate it. I need to get to the business district.
Roger that. To Coral Castle via the business district.
The tide is moving fast today.
Is it? I'm new to this area.
It's the influence from the East Australian current.
Sheldon, take a shortcut. I might be late for my meeting.
I know. Let's cut through the seaweed forest.
Wow, the seaweed forest. The scenery is beautiful.
I don't really have the time to admire the view.
Are you working, Mr. Barnaby?
Yes, a real estate deal. A new shell property.
Oops, a school of jellyfish. Slowing down a bit.
Looks like a traffic jam.
This is why I hate rush hour.
Don't worry, I'll weave through the gaps.
Amazing driving skills.
Experience is the best teacher, as they say.
All right, the business district is in sight.
I'll drop you off here, Mr. Barnaby.
How much is it for my share?
That'll be 5 sand dollars.
Here, keep the change. Thanks.
Goodbye, Mr. Barnaby.
Now, next stop is Coral Castle.
How much longer?
Just over that hill, and we're there.
I can see it. That's the Coral Castle.
We've arrived. Shall I pull up to the main entrance?
Yes, please. Right here is fine.
The fare is 10 sand dollars.
Do you accept credit cards?
Of course. Just tap it here.
I'll include a tip. Thank you.
Thanks. Good luck with your meeting.
It's time for today's review.
Today's theme was taking a taxi.
First, the phrase for hailing a taxi.
Excuse me, actually,
It's simple, but saying it loudly is important.
Next is the expression to state your destination.
Could you take me to the Coral Castle, please?
Could you take me to is a very polite and good expression.
what about asking for the travel time?
How long will it take?
Time is money in business. It's an essential phrase.
What did we say when asking to share a ride?
Can I share the ride?
Handy. You can use it when going with friends, too.
Finally, the phrase for payment. Keep the change.
It's cool to use when giving a tip.
Checking for card payment is also important.
Do you accept credit cards?
That sounds useful for traveling abroad.
Well then, see you next time.